Hi, welcome back. Another important. This is a simple but powerful question. So, let's see the topic. How do you connect to your real-time or live system for SAP or S4 HANA? Okay, probably someone might have asked you the same questions. Okay, so to if they get a doubt on you whether you really worked or not, they will ask these kind of questions. But and again, for experienced people also, they will ask these kind of questions. But in general, they would like to know also out of their interest. Okay, enthusiasm. So let's try to check this. Before that, if you're not yet subscribed, you can subscribe my YouTube channel, and these are the different set of courses available. So SD sales and distribution 101 hours. Okay, so these you can watch in your live laptop, tablet, or anywhere. All these available at cheaper rates. You can try this 101 hours SAP SD if you're a beginner. Then if you already got trained yourself, if you have some doubts, some topics like pricing, you can able to get it including GST. So this you can try this. This is I recommend as for HANA screens I have done. There are no much changes, technical changes you have, but when it comes to functionality, additional column got added. You try this course, and apart from that, if you are not introduced to S4 HANA, probably you will have one or two basic questions. What do you know about S4 HANA? You can try this SAP S4 HANA Simple Logistics Business Scenarios. For that, you need not take the system. Just try to understand the course first, and later, if you're really getting that interest, you can try that. But after 2030, future is this one. So, like before getting into the real time, this has happened to me. It is very difficult sometimes to prepare the business documents and get practice yourself, getting master to write functional specification. This anyone can do. SD, FI, anybody can do this course. You can do it. How to gather the requirement. Here I have given simplest example, very simple example, so that you can understand what exactly happens in real time. So this is for idocs, SDMM folks. I can recommend that. If you wanted to, you can try that because we're closely integrated. Shipment learning with the transportation. If you wanted to try, one or two questions comes on this also. Okay, so just face the interview in real time. What kind of project they will give you, that is a different story, and probably we'll try to do one more video in future. Okay, now let's get into the topic. Okay, I'm just providing these links below this video. If you want, you can utilize an opportunity and you can create one Udemy account and you can learn and try to set your position in real time. Okay, so these actually most of the times they don't give you directly. For example, if you have a SAP server, that server you are installing at the time of training in your laptop, or else nowadays, so you are taking rent basis SAP server. So the browser will open simply. You will have a login pad installation so that it will be connected through VPN. So somewhere it might be located anywhere in the Japan, US, India, but server you can utilize across the world. Okay, but here what happens for company also in the similar fashion, they will continue it, but they will call it as a VPN. VPN means virtual private network. So it is virtually available to do your work. Whatever the commit or save you do, that data will store into one server. Actually, server backups will be there, that you need not consider. But VPN, being a functional consultant and technical consultant, if you are new to real time, you have to connect through VPN. It's not mandatory, but nowadays it is trending actually. So, and we have some kind of nowadays, last 4 to 5 years, we got mobile authenticator apps also. Last 2 years, especially. So, you certain a code that is with your ID, it will be connected. If you would like to access applications of your company, not only SAP, some kind of client applications, or else it can be anything. So, what kind of VPNs we have? Sometimes we have customer VPN. Only customer is giving that VPN. They will give the template and activation. Once activated, so every time new code will be generated on your mobile, that you enter it. Okay, or else it will come to, it has three options: text message for your mobile, and call for your mobile sometimes, and authenticator app, and you will get some digits of the code, 6 digits or 4 digits, depends on the authenticator what you are using. It will auto generate every 30 seconds or 60 seconds, it will expire. Okay, so different kind of processing will be there. The code valid for that much time that you have to enter. Okay. So once you take the code in your system, you enter, then it will give access for customer applications. In the similar way, if it is service company, in service company also they can do this. They can give the VPN on behalf of the client. For example, if you take big clients, Accenture, IBM, Cognizant, any client, or else even if it is small client, it depends on the like an agreement what they have done. How you can able to access this? It is access to customer VPN or else your system VPN. For example, you are working for Cognizant. Cognizant, their application to access their own VPN will be their company VPN. In the similar way, suppose you are working for a project called Britannia, Britannia VPN will be there. Don't think that Britannia with Cognizant. I'm just joking. Okay, just for an example, I have taken. So now see this. This is one of the logo. It will be there on your mobile. This is a Microsoft Authenticator app. It is like freeware most of the times, and the license what even I don't know. Like certain times you can able to use it. Whatever the code you enter, you can able to enter in your system so that you can access application. In the similar way, this is also quite famous. RSA Secure ID. Okay, they are also providing Secure ID means that is also one kind of cloud app. So it will generate. So if you enter, it will give accessibility. Okay, and Citrix. It was quite famous. It's not new. It is some 20 years or 25 years, but I am having around 10.5 years. So then I know from 10.5 years, and before that also it was there. Actually, it's not quite new. Through Citrix also you can able to connect your applications. Okay, so now you got the answer. So VPN, virtual private network. With that you can able to access your real-time systems. Okay. So don't confuse yourself. Everywhere you don't have VPN. Certain times you don't have VPN. Probably you can able to access directly also. But nowadays, hardly it is 1%. If the customer or a service provider quite old, they are lazy, they don't want it. But now all clients looking for security, then VPN is mandatory. Okay, this is how you can able to access your SAP application. I cannot able to show all these things because I got experience of various kind of VPNs, but I cannot show. And at the same time, I'm confirming you these are the some of the VPNs. It can be any VPN. It can be any application provider. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. Keep practice. Keep put 100% whole efforts. Wish you all the best.